about 30 hours after the storm went through.
We haven't seen a long track violent tornado like this in Kentucky for quite some time.
We're at Princeton, Kentucky at the Research and Education Center. It's also the home for the Grain and Forage Center of Excellence.
We saw a very strong to violent long track tornado pass through the region. Obviously significant damage, something no one wants to see, no one wants to see in their lifetime. This is a very unique situation.
We have no loss of life. This is what I want to keep reminding everyone. We had minor injuries, no loss of life.
We do have some people who work here who lost their homes as well. So their place of work was destroyed and their houses were destroyed also. But we're thankful, considering the devastation around us, we're thankful that all of our people are accounted for in that regard.
A mile to the west, you'd be in downtown Princeton. Very populated area, obviously, compared to out here at the farm.
We're down here with the fire marshals as we speak, learning that most of our buildings are condemned, even the new one that was just built for the Grain Forage Center of Excellence. The biggest thing right now is reminding people to stay away from these facilities. We're very concerned about the safety of anybody that tries to go in.
It was a massive hit. So the main building has our laboratories, our offices for everybody, and our meeting rooms and such. And there's nothing in that facility structurally that's salvageable at this point. Complete total loss. All of the people who work here have put in a tremendous amount of hours already, securing facilities, securing livestock, patching up some fences where they could, trying to assess where the damage was at and what needed to be done to try to help alleviate some of those issues.
The greatest thing that we've had is the outpouring from our community. We've had so much help offered for the beef unit to make sure they are watered and fed for our herd that we had to turn people away. It's humbling to know that they're thinking of us that way.
We recognize that there are other areas of the state that were devastated heavily and loss of life. We don't want to diminish anything that other places are going through as well now. A lot of our county agents are already working at helping people out. The Kentucky ag community is a strong community. It's a kind community. It's a generous community. And we're going to rely on them pretty heavily for a while to help us all get through it.
We're not closing doors now. We might just look a little different and be a little more fragmented for the near future, but we do have a path forward. We don't know what it looks like, but we're here to support and we'll be there.
I've been telling people this seems more like a generational tornado. We just don't see this very often.